Another video for you. Here's a way to make wheels look and go from this to this to actually that. Not done yet though. They need to be washed. I won't want to wash them with a fresh paint job anyway. And yes, this is an old hubcap I had laying around, but you can see the nice new shiny paint inside the hubcap. Once the truck is done, then this will get all washed up and pretty. Set old tires my dad had laying around that were in good shape for this old Ford truck. Maybe we'll do a video on driving it one day. But yeah, I'll show you the tools you need to do what I did. So in my case, this is the last wheel to actually do besides the spare. I don't know what I'm putting on for a spare yet, but anyway, just a drill with a wire brush. I actually have an air compressor with an air hose to blow it all off. This side here is about ready for paint. A good red primer. Good old trusty rusty metal primer from Rust-Oleum. Some of that was kind of hard to get. I was also using some multi-purpose premium primer, and then also gloss matte black from Rust-Oleum as well. So yeah, as you can see, the primer's drying here, and this one here will get a coat of paint. This will get black just like the other ones, but easy way and cheap way to have clean, nice set of wheels on your truck. When you are cleaning these and using your wire brush, you want to get to knock the rust off as best you can to get it ready for paint. Then we take our blowgun. This isn't showroom, but it's definitely good maintenance. Saves your wheels, makes them last. And the only troubling part is waiting for paint to dry. This is what your wheels will look like after you get them all nicely painted. So if you think about it for a second, that's pretty cheap to turn in nice, ugly looking rusty wheels to looking like this. It maybe cost me $5. Take wire brush them off, clean them up, wipe them down, blow them off with the blowgun, and then give it 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of black roughly, and now we got a nice, good looking wheel. It's going to last for a while, protect it from rust as well. So thanks for watching. This is GMEC. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.